Willow Springs. How many legends have ridden on this very surface? Likely many. However, today, I'm riding on one of the lesser known tracks here, the tiny Kart Track. Normally they have a strict 4-stroke limit of 125 cc's. Luckily, for Halloween I had the privilege of riding with a private event where I was actually one of the smallest bikes out there. Let's see how I stack up against everyone on a bone stock 2015 Yamaha R3. With completely stock brakes and suspension settings, the only advantage I have is Pirelli SC1 slicks. But I'm not running warmers, and the high temp of the day is only 60 degrees, and there's wind chill. On top of that, I've never even seen Willow Springs in person, let alone the Kart Track. Let's see how well I fare.
It's me, Mario!
Fastest time I clocked all day, despite being in the cold, was 55 seconds. With consistent minutes. That's actually race pace, so I'm quite satisfied. While it may not have been a race, I still managed to snag a first place in the costume contest. Who would have guessed I'd win something from riding at a track day? Now I know some of you have been on Halloween rides, and some may have even won from track day raffles. So let me know your crazy stories in the comments. Thanks once again for watching, and next time I'll finally start getting into building it for racing. So be sure to like and subscribe to see what goes into building a track weapon. Gotta slow that fucking shit down. Diction settings and wow. You need to have an and in there, dude.